There's a place down in Magnolia town where the trees stand tall and the sun goes down. A one-story home with a charming grace. On Ranch Hill Drive it's found its place. Nestled between two cul-de-sacs, with room to breathe and to relax. Magnolia School District, highly praised, a family's dream in so many ways. 5706 Ranch Hill is where hearts grow strong, where laughter echoes and kids belong. From dawn's first light to the stars at night, this home holds love's love, oh so bright. Front porch sitting with a sweet iced tea, country living where we feel so free. Open space for the kids to run underneath that Texas sun. Custom built with a touch of care, memories made we love to share. Brick by brick, dream by dream, Ranch Hill Drive forever it seems. Time moves slow in this place so dear, each moment treasured year by year. 5706, you're our heart's refrain. In Magnolia, our love will sustain. "5706, you're our heart's refrain. In Magnolia, our love will sustain."